I created a photo editing website with just a prompt, and I am so proud of myself. With this website that I created, I can practically edit any image of my choice and download that image into my device instantly. So I found this AI website, MetaGPT, you can call it MGX, that gives you access to 5 AI agents to create any app or website of your choice. All you have to do is give it a prompt, sit back, relax like a CEO, and watch the agent create the website or application. I'm going to show you how, and at the end of this video, you should be able to create any website or application of your choice. To gain access to MetaGPT, click the link on my bio. On the website, the homepage, this is what you're going to see, a box where you can type in your prompt. And so I'm going to give it a prompt of the website I want to create. And so I'm going to say, I want to create a responsive website where I can upload an image and edit it directly in the browser using a set of easy to use tools. The homepage should have a drag and drop upload area, plus a file input option for selecting an image from my device. Once the image is loaded, I should see a live preview in the main editing canvas with a toolbar containing basic editing features such as crop, resize, rotate, flip, adjust, brightness and contrast, adjust saturation, and apply simple filters like black and white, sepia, vignette, and other tools that you may suggest. When I'm happy with the final image, the website should let me download it. The UI should be clean, intuitive, and mobile friendly, using HTML5 canvas for image rendering and JavaScript for interactive editing. With smooth animations for a polished feel, the backend, if needed, should handle heavier processing tasks securely over HTTPS. Below, you're going to see the mode. You can switch from engineer to team. You can use engineer if you want to work directly with the engineer, or use the team if you want to work with the teams that are available. So I'm going to choose the team. Beside it, you can choose your model. For what we want to create, you're going to choose the advanced creation. But let's say you want to do things like chat. You have a basic creation to use DeepSeek, or the basic chats to use GPT, or advanced chats to use GPT 4.0. So we're going to leave it at Claude Sonnet 3.7, and then we're going to hit this enter to get the AI working. On this box, you're going to see the chat going on by the AI agent, the team leader giving the instructions, and by the side, you're going to see the workspace where all the job and all the coding is going on. And so, like I said, all you have to do is sit back like a CEO and monitor what is happening. MetaGPT is a multi-agent AI platform where you can chat with an AI team, which consists of the team leader, product manager, architect, engineer, and data analyst, empowered to give you the best results. The difference between MGX and others is that you don't need to be a prompt engineer. You can describe your AI tool requirements in plain language. It produces the front end and back end code needed for complete AI tools. So after some minutes, it's done generating the websites using the prompts that I gave it. And as you can see, it's not looking bad at all. It actually gave it a name, image editor, a responsive web-based image editor with powerful editing tools. It also has the feature to either drag and drop an image or click to browse or select an image just as I requested using the prompt. Below it, it says made with love. This is cute. Above this website, you're going to see the option to either switch to mobile view or open this website in a new tab entirely. But before I do that, let me introduce you to the team like I mentioned earlier. There's Mike, who acts as the team leader. There's Alex, who is the engineer, Emma, the product manager, and Bob, the architect. We also have David, who is the data analyst. But now there's something I don't like about this website, which I'm going to change in a while. I also want to let you know that after generating this website, you can actually edit it yourself if you know how to code. And you can do that by visiting the editor page. And right here, you can do the coding yourself if you want to. But if you want to act like a CEO, like I always love to do, then you can go back to the app viewer and then tell them, like right here, you also have the option to edit anything, add anything. It's just like it's interactive. So you can just tell them to change whatever you want them to change. Them, they are 18, right? So I refer to them as them. So I'm going to ask it to change it from image editor to probably other tech. It should be more personal, right? Change the name from image editor to Odera Tech Editor. That's it. So I'm going to hit send. And then the team leader, Mike, is going to start giving the instruction after he's done thinking. He's going to send the details to the next team member and the change will begin. In some minutes, we are going to see the change. So let's give it some time. So the correction has been made and it's actually looking better now. At least to me, the name is now more personal, Odera Tech Editor. So we are going to try out the features as I requested in the prompt. So I'm going to open this website in a new tab entirely. So let's see what it looks like on its own. So this is it. It's quite simple and easy to use as I requested in the prompt. I actually think they did a great job here. So we're going to try the first feature, which is to drag and drop image, right? So I'm going to find an image. Which image should I use? I'm going to drag this image and drop it. Let's see if it works. That's it. It's actually working. Okay, so let's try adjust, filter, text, draw. All the things I mentioned are actually here, and I'm super excited. You don't know how excited I am because this is quite easy. Just give it a prompt, and your website is ready. Something that you can use. Okay, let's try to adjust and see if it's actually working. Brightness. Wow, it's working. These features they are working. Okay, let me increase it. Let's just mess around. Let's just play around with it and see what happens. Okay. Uh okay. Okay. I think there's something that I'm missing here. For instance, if I want to redo, there's no feature for redo, right? So I'm going to ask it to add the feature to redo and undo, things like that, so that if I make a mistake, I should be able to redo and undo. So I'm going to ask it to include that feature. And what else? I think these ones are already there. The text, the size. Okay, it has the prompts which are available, the size. This is beautiful. So I'm going to ask it to include the feature to redo, undo, and see if there are other features I can include, right? And so let's see what the final app is going to look like. You're going to edit and then download the image you edited into a device and see if it's going to download, right? You don't really need to be a forms engineer. Just type in clean language. This thing will understand and they'll do what you have just requested for. Okay, that's it. For now, let's go ahead with this one and see what it looks like. Now I'm curious, tell me what you'll be creating with this website. Are you going to create an image editor like myself and name it after you? Or you're going to create a website for your organization or any products that you sell? Are you going to create an application, probably game application? Let me know what you're going to be creating using this website. And when you do, feel free to share your link in the comment section so that we can check out what you have created. So my team is done with the adjustments. Let's see if they actually added what I asked them to adjust. So I'm going to open it in a new tab like we did initially. Okay, so let's try to this time select an image instead of drag and drop. So I'm going to find an image. Can I? Okay, it's actually working. Okay, yeah, that's it. And yes, they have the redo and undo buttons right here. So let's see if it actually works. So let me adjust brightness. Okay, and then it's actually working. They also have the reset button. I don't think I added that to my prompt, but they thought it wise to add it. Actually, I told them to add any other feature they think is necessary. So I think that's why I added the reset button, which is actually beautiful, so that you can reset everything entirely without using the undo button repeatedly. So I'm going to try the filter. Everything here is actually working. None is also working. The draw, I can actually choose the color for the draw. This is actually beautiful. Everything is working. Everything is working. Okay, I can return to basic and do a reset. Is the download button actually working? Let's see if it's going to download. It's downloading and it's fast. It's actually fast to download. This is a website I created. Emphasis on the I created using a prompt. So let me know if you're going to create yours and tell me what website you're going to create. You can use the link in my bio to get started.